And here now I've got to say. Oh, look at this one.
Spring and summer fashions are the most interesting of the year. More free, more feminine, and far more colorful than any of the other seasons. This slipper is made of the new imported summer shantung embroidered in pastel colors.
A charming evening wrap of metallic cloth. The dress is of black and silver lace with a spangled bodice. Note the lace mittens worn with this type of dress.